They're busy preparing for Nathan's giveaways for his birthday. There's a lot. Oh my gosh. Busy bees.
Tata, you know I'm behind you.
Yeah.
And we need some more. So I'm going to
Baby, when's your birthday?
Wow. Ganda.
Kasha lang?
Ayun.
Baby, when is your birthday?
January 28, 2019.
Wow. Perfect.
Is there any candy they didn't put in yet? Okay.
Parang bag. Ang cute.
Right, baby, with that one. Babe.
Wow.
Mama?
Ba't parang kulang ito sa akin, babe?
Ano lang, oh, naglagay siya ng sarili, ano yung nilagay niya?
Baby.
Please.
Naglagay siya ng ano, tingnan mo yun sa kanya.
Baka may umiyak.
Patay.
Agui, oh.
Finally.
Bo, finally.
I'm gonna give this.
Ligit. Ay, tag-isa kinuha niya, oh. Isa ka lang.
Gumawa ng sariling loot bag.
Iba-iba ka na ito.
Basta bukas. Balik kayo natin.
Tama, galing sa tila.
Hindi na sila natin.
Tingnan nyo, i-double check nyo. Baka kawawa naman yung 5 ng laman.
Baka sabi, why I don't have like that?
Okay, next bag.
Next bag.
Can you open it for me, Mama? I can't.
Of course,
Ah, nasira.
Ano ba yan, baby?
Sorry.
You get another one there, oh. Miss you
Sorry,
have
my
there.
love.
Go.
Okay. Wow, very good, baby. You can help us already.
So big love, Daddy. So big wet.
Oh, nakakatawa na siya.
Squat.
Wow. Nice. Very good. Oh.
Wait,
There's another one there, oh. Thank you.
Ay, ayos na talaga.
Kaya nga.
I put it there, baby. Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh.
Wow, that's
very
your work.
good.
Wow.
Now to put the toys.
Later, baby, we'll put it in, ano. And,